Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain.
No.
Yahoo!
Oh my God.
You so stupid. I know. You sexy motherfucker. Do. What's going on? Welcome to another episode of Shoeflytv. It's your boy Tizzle. It's your boy
Ricky P, baby.
So today, we just want to say, man, shout out to all the plugs, man. First off, the plug that got us the shadows, man. You know who you are. We're going to say your name because we're going to get you caught up. We appreciate you. Foot District, you always looking out for us. Thank you for also looking out for us on the Pine Green Joints review coming for that
baby.
truck. And then we got the other plug right here that hooked us up with the Court Purple. That's the whole reason why I was thinking Purple Rain, Purple Rain. We're going to do a quick review. Court Purple. We're going to do a, we're going to snatch these things out of the box though real quick and do a quick review on these ginoids right here. Take a look at them. So, first things first. If you purchase this sneaker, just know quality is A1 on this thing.
Yola status.
Leather is super soft. Back panel, toe box, side panels on the black. Side panels with the. Now, real quick, is this sail or is this white? It looked white.
White. I think it's white, not sail.
But yeah, the
Does it
side
say sail on
panel
it? Doesn't say sail. On
says
it.
white.
Actually, it does say sail.
It doesn't say sail? Oh, well, I mean, damn, okay. Well, sometimes you get it wrong, you get it right.
Not
So,
white. Sail.
first in this, you got the black toe theme with the black coming across the side panel, and then the front of the toe box with your purple toe box up front. You got your black Nike check on the side with the black Air Jordan wing symbol on there, and then you come around to that back panel, and on the back tabs, you got your Court Purple, and then you come back around to the front. You have the black tongue with the
Blacker tongue.
purple and white Nike Air. That Nike Air like the OG, and then of course on your bottom you got your whole Court Purple on the bottom right here. I didn't expect this shoe to garner as much attention as it did. As far as like you gotta go to the dictionary once you boom, you gotta see thesaurus and all that, man. But like it sold out. Unfortunately, there was violence involved with the sneaker, which should never happen. It's not worth fighting over. It's not worth jumping nobody over or none of that. So please cut out the madness when it comes to all of that. But right now, if you take a look at StockX, these are going for the upper 400s. We had been watching them all day to kind of see where the price was going, and it kept going up, down, up, down. It got to a point where some pairs sold for what, $450? 453. It went back down, and then I get a text from him saying it went back up. Pairs going for 410, 420. It was said that these ones were a little bit more limited than the green pair, which you'll be seeing when we get those in. So
They were.
I'm assuming that's probably why you're getting that higher price point, because the green ones are only going for around the $300 mark. But overall, dope sneaker.
Dope.
Definite cop if you were able to get your hands on a pair. As far as the people who weren't, sorry sad. That resale is gonna be
beat your
vicious
head.
because these
like triple.
are not going for your average 280, 300. You're gonna pay a little bit if you want to get a pair of these. But that was just a quick look at the Court Purple. The Court Purple ones that We had just copped yesterday, you know what I'm saying? So do not forget, go on them comments. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you feel like
Drop
it's
it like it's hot.
you know what I'm saying? Drop it like it's hot, you know what I'm saying?
Like it's hot.
Let us know what y'all think about the sneaker. Don't forget also to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell for the notifications as well. This has been another episode of Shoefly Television. It's your boy T.
Your boy Ricky P.
And we out.
Deuce.
Purple rain, purple rain.